Bananas is a healthy fruit for people with diabetes. It is rich of fiber and has a low glycemic index. Diabetics can eat banana but in moderation. Pears can help control blood sugar level and lower your chances of type 2 diabetes and stroke. They can even help food digest better. Pears are high fiber, which helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar. Kiwi is a beneficial fruit for people with diabetes with digestive health. Because of its fiber content, it contains soluble and insoluble fiber. Peach are good source of diabetes. Peach are friendly diet. This fruit is rich of vitamin C and relatively low in sugar. Orange are full of vitamin C, fiber, folate and potassium, which would help benefit a healthy diabetic eating plan. Strawberries are rich in source of nutrients that help to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Strawberries may help reduce blood sugar levels and inflammation. Blackberries are diabetes grapefruit because they are full with fiber and antioxidants. Blackberries are very low in carbohydrates, manage the blood sugar level pretty well. Cherries is best part of diabetes treatment. The sweet and sour taste of the fruit contain minerals that increase insulin, which helps control blood sugar levels. Grapefruit juice lowered blood sugar as effectually as metformin, a drug commonly used to treat people with type 2 diabetes. Avocado. It may help with weight loss and increase insulin sensitivity. Their sugar levels are also low. Avocados contain many essential minerals and vitamins. Apples are a best source of fiber, antioxidants and vitamin C. Apples also contain carbs which can affect blood sugar levels. Apples may lower risk of diabetes. For further information, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.